Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with low video quality on YouTube? Well, you are, then this video is for you, my friend. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to change low video quality uploads on YouTube. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. In order to fix our low YouTube video upload quality, we'll have to first tap on YouTube app. After opening our YouTube app, here as you can see, we'll be on the home page. On the home page, you will be able to see various options. On the top, you'll be able to see your profile icon that is located on the right hand side corner. Here you'll have to tap on the profile icon. After tapping on your profile icon, here as you can see, there are many options such as your channel, add account purchases and memberships, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on the option setting that is located right between your data in YouTube and help and feedback. After tapping on settings on the second option, you'll be able to see data savings. And if your screen is something like this, then you'll have to simply tap on it and turn it off. Here on the second option, here as you can see, reduce video quality is written there, and here you'll have to again tap on it and turn it off. After that, here you'll have to go back, and after going back, here as you can see, there is the option video quality preference that is located on the fourth option right between autoplay and downloads. Here you'll have to tap on video quality preferences. If your video quality preference is on the data saving mode on the mobile networks, then you'll have to choose on higher picture quality or auto recommended. Also video quality on Wi-Fi, here you'll have to do the same thing. If the option is chosen on data saver, then you'll have to choose either the higher picture quality or auto recommended. After that, you're all set. That should fix your low video quality on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.